Hi, this is Nikki Tamboli and you are watching me on Filmy Beat. आज हम कर रहे हैं 25 questions with Nikki Tamboli. So let's get started.
Nikki, first question. What is the most daring thing you have done till date?
Daring thing? Daring अभी मुझे ना याद करना पड़ेगा. Daring thing? Big Boss में आना. Because बिग बॉस में आके मैंने अपने आप को डिस्कवर किया कि मैं कितनी स्ट्रॉन्ग हूँ. उसके पहले मेरी हर चीज़ से फटती थी.
Okay. What is an ideal date for you?
Ideal date for me. Ideal date for me. अभी तुम जोर से बोल. जोर से बोल. Romantic. So boring. Yeah, under the sky, watching the stars, a romantic dinner.
Okay. So kill, marry, hook up. Rahul, Jan, and Ali.
Kill all. Okay, kill Ali, hook up Rahul, marry Jan.
Alright. And kill Ali, why?
Because I don't know him, right? So and because I don't know him, अभी तक पता नहीं है वो क्या है क्या नहीं है. So yeah.
Okay. If Genie granted you 3 wish right now, what would you wish for?
3 wish. अभी या इस मतलब अभी currently or asking?
हाँ, अभी ऐसा not right now, but अगर seriously this wish
बिग बॉस की ट्रॉफी
Okay.
और अ फिल्म विद सलमान सर और मेरे पेरेंट्स और भाई की जो हेल्थ है वो ठीक हो जाए हमेशा के लिए.
Okay. So if you had 1 day left to live on the earth, what you would do and with whom you would spend it?
With my family because they are not keeping well right now. So yeah.
Which animal do you like the most? Cat or dog?
Dog.
What is the craziest job you would consider taking if not an actor?
Supreme Court judge. Yeah.
Okay. If you had to spend $1 million in 1 day, what would you buy?
I would buy stilettos, new clothes, makeup, and yeah, bus everything for me. Like what people call me selfish, so everything for me. Yeah. Few. Best prank. बेस्ट प्रैंक कुछ नहीं. मैं प्रैंक तो कुछ नहीं यार. प्रैंक कुछ नहीं. नो प्रैंक. नो प्रैंक. Expensive thing I bought. I'm fan of big branded bags, so I always buy bags. So yeah, bag only.
Have you ever done something embarrassing in public?
Embarrassing in public. और नेशनल टेलीविजन पे इतना एम्बैरेसिंग कर लिया है बिग बॉस में, अभी और क्या ही बचा है. या
If you remember anything like कभी स्कूल में और कॉलेज में
स्कूल कॉलेज में.
किसी को मारा हो,
हाँ, कॉलेज में ऐसे ही मस्ती कर रही थी.
right? What is the most impulsive thing you have ever done?
Impulsive thing. Don't remember.
Or you don't want to say?
I don't want to say.
Okay, where would you rate yourself as a kisser on the scale of 1 to 10?
As a 10. Yeah. No doubt.
Okay, what kind of clothing and fashion do you found most appealing in a boy?
In a boy, denim and white shirt or a t-shirt, simple and classy.
Okay, what is the one job that you would never do even if you get $1 million for it?
One job. Yeah, every job is equal and I would love to do anything, not only for money but मुझे किसी को कम नहीं दिखाना है, क्योंकि बिग बॉस के घर में जब मैंने राखी का बेड नहीं लगाया था तो सलमान सर ने मुझे एक्सप्लेन किया था कि किसी काम को आप छोटा मत समझिए. तो आई वुड लव टू डू एनीथिंग.
So if you had to switch life with someone, who would you choose?
Switch life. Priyanka Chopra. Yeah. Yeah, because I adore her so much and I think so she's the happiest person. I think so.
If you had the superpower, how would you use it?
Superpower? What power?
Like this in India में गायब हो जाना,
क्या क्या?
गायब हो जाना, where you go.
अच्छा, कहीं गायब हो जाना है मुझे बिग बॉस के घर में.
Again,
या अभी तक वो बिग बॉस का फीवर उतरा नहीं है ना, इसीलिए.
okay. Would you rather have super sight or super hearing?
सुपर
Hearing or super sight? देखना या सुनना? Which one?
देखना.
Okay. Would you rather fight with the? Would you rather fight with King Kong or T-Rex?
और
T-Rex.
किंग कॉन्ग.
Okay. Would you rather stop using the internet or stop using deodorant?
Stop using deodorant. I smell always good.
Okay. What will you choose if you can't see or if you can't see?
Speak or see. I would choose no speak. I won't speak. I would rather see.
Okay. Who's the most important person in your life? Like your family or your parents?
Family.
Anyway, if you get a chance to do vacation, whom you choose and where you go?
I'll choose someone. And where will I? Yeah, someone. And where will I go? Maybe Switzerland for a date. Yeah.
What kind of men attract you?
Tall, dusky, smart, handsome, with six packs. नेचर अच्छा होना चाहिए, स्टाइलिश होना चाहिए, सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर अच्छा होना चाहिए और फनी होना चाहिए, मुझे हंसाना चाहिए, एट द सेम टाइम इमोशनल होना चाहिए एंड फाइनली रिच होना चाहिए. दैट्स इट. दैट्स इट. बस इतना ही.
What do you have to say about the segment?
आई लव्ड इट. मेरा मूड बहुत रिफ्रेश कर दिया है. थैंक यू सो मच.